I went back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can create a video in a letter effect. So if you have a word, you can put a video into each letter. You obviously need as many videos as you've got letters in your word. Make sure the ratio is 16:9, which is typical for YouTube videos, or whatever you need, and then position your videos in a timeline. Cut them short using the split tool B so that they all have the same length. I'm going to use 6, so I'm going to use a 6-letter word. But before we create the word, we need an additional element, which is a black background. You can just find one in the stock materials. Type in, for example, black, and you should get a plain black background. You want to put that on top. And now we can add our text. Let me call that, I don't know, animal, nature, something like this. As I've said, 6 videos for 6 letters. It looks better on a thick font, so I'm going to use Resolve. It's inbuilt and freely available. Make sure your color is white. Scale it a little bit up, and then select the text and the black backgrounds. Right click on it and create a compound clip. Now we want to go for this element to video, blend, open a drop down and set the mode to darken. This should get rid of the letters which were white. And now you can use 2 methods, or you have to use 2 methods. Number 1 is you have to scale and reposition it. And number 2 is you can use a mask. So depending on what you need here, you have to balance these 2 methods a little bit out. Well, I believe the parrot was actually the lowest element, so let me put that to the right hand side, and I continue with the cow. For some letters you have to be a little bit cautious here. Here, for example, the A and the T, you don't want to have the mask cut into that or have overlaps. And as I've said, here you can scale it down. For example, the penguin, I make this smaller. And this is how you should do it. For the mask, the horizontal is enough in most cases. And in some cases, I don't need a mask at all. So it depends a little bit on the footage and the letter. But now we should be good. Let me roll the clip. And you can see all videos run in each letter individually. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.